As Socrates once put it, the unexamined life is not worth living. Welcome to our exploration of ancient Greek wisdom. The Greeks valued wisdom above all, seeing it as the key to a life well lived. It wasn't just about acquiring knowledge, but applying it to lead a fulfilling life. This wisdom has echoed through the centuries, influencing our modern understanding of what it means to live well. So let's delve deeper into the wisdom of the ancient Greeks and how it can guide us in living well today. Beginning with the pre-Socratic philosophers, they believed in seeking truth through rational thought, rather than accepting traditional religious interpretations. These early thinkers sparked a flame that illuminated the path for future philosophers. Enter the sophists, who focused on teaching the skills necessary for success in life, advocating for the power of persuasion and the importance of public debate. Then came Socrates, a man whose philosophy was rooted in ethics and relentless questioning. He believed that the key to living well was in the pursuit of virtue and self-improvement. His student Plato built upon this, envisioning a world of ideal forms where truth, beauty and goodness reigned supreme. But it was Aristotle, Plato's own student, who brought us back down to earth. He emphasized logic and empirical observation, arguing that a good life was one lived according to reason. Over time, these philosophies evolved into the Hellenistic philosophies that emphasized inner peace and tranquility as the key to living well. From the ancient Greeks, we learn that to live well is not just about pleasure or success, but about living according to our principles. The ancients taught us the importance of self-reflection, rational thought, ethical living, and inner peace. They urged us to live not just for moments of joy or achievement, but in alignment with our deepest values. So as we strive to live well in our modern world, let's remember the wisdom of the ancient Greeks. The really important thing is not to live, but to live well.